I am by no means a professional detailer. However, I love my vehicles to be very clean. So I built this DIY car wash station. Today I'm going to be walking y'all through it, cleaning the car, and just showing y'all why this is, honestly, this setup has changed everything for me. So let's go see how Courtney does it. So I start by setting everything up. I'm using the Giraffe wall-mounted pressure washer. I typically use just the short gun instead of the wand because it's easier to use in my opinion. I use the foam cannon that I attach to a garden hose really simply because it's what I have and it allows me to fill up the water bucket with soap and then move straight to soaping down the car. Oh. Alright, so now I'm just wiping everything down, giving it a good wipe. Then I'm using this extendable top brush to reach taller parts and just harder to reach areas to help give it a good scrub. Now I am spraying it all off. Just as a reminder, y'all, I am not a professional detailer, but this is just my weekly setup and routine to maintain a great looking vehicle, and it just allows me to get the job done on a weekly basis. Now this is the part where I do the deionized final stage to ensure a spot-free final rinse. I went with Clearly Mad is the brand, and I'll include the link below in case you guys are interested in it, but it really helps us keep a spot-free vehicle without having to do too much. Now I'm just doing a quick clean of the all-weather floor mats. I just spray them off, pretty simple, and I'm always happy with the results. Alright, now we are done with the water portion. It's super easy to just put everything back up, and now we'll go to the interior. Alright, y'all, now it's vacuum time. Instead of going with the Giraffe vacuum to match the pressure washer, we chose the Bissell because it had a longer hose, more power, and better reviews. And we're definitely more pleased that we went with that option. Now we're going to give the interior a quick wipe down. Always use 303 protectant instead of any other greasy looking option. So for the windows, I prefer to use Spray Away because it's ammonia free and in my opinion gives the best results. And it's also safe for tint, and plus it smells really great. The cloths I'm using here are just microfiber towels. I purchased them from Sam's Club. I think they have them at Costco as well, but just make sure to wash them after every use. Now I am just going to reinstall the floor mats, and that is a wrap on cleaning my vehicle. Once again, I will leave all of the links below for all the products that we use to do our DIY car wash station. Thank you again for watching, and comment below with any other video ideas that you would like to see.